Hi, you guys. I wanted to make a quick video on an email I got from Ally Invest about Tesla joining the S&P 500. A market milestone, it says. Joining the S&P 500 is a big deal. The bar to get in is tough to clear, and the index committee handpicks each company that receives an invite. That prestige can be a boon for new members. Tesla shares have risen a whopping 41% since S&P made the announcement, mimicking earlier pops from other big companies like Facebook and Yahoo when they joined the index. Gains could also very well continue, as thousands of funds that track the S&P indexes buy Tesla shares to account for the new index member. All that buying could boost the stock near term. But Tesla's post-announcement pop may be followed by a post-inclusion drop. Another way it might resemble Facebook and Yahoo as their S&P entries went. In fact, it's typical for stocks to trail the rest of the market after they're added to the index. A portfolio shakeup. Tesla's inclusion makes it the sixth largest stock in the S&P 500, accounting for almost 2% of the index and its total market cap. That's not a huge slice at first glance, but the switch will still affect your portfolio. Funds that track the S&P 500 will pick up shares of Tesla and sell shares of some other companies to make room. They do this to stay current with the index and make sure they closely track its performance. As the weight of other stocks is reduced, stock prices could be pressured. That could also mean volatility for many funds today, including those that track the S&P 500 consumer discretionary sector, prepare for a rebalance after the close. Retail-focused investors are expected to be the most impacted going forward. So what do you guys think? Is Tesla going to keep climbing after the inclusion, or are they going to do like Yahoo, go up and then taper off and then go down? Let me know in the comments. All right, you guys, thanks for checking out. If you enjoyed this, do me a favor, drop me a like, subscribe as always, and we'll see you again. Thanks.